On every message, just the message. You don't know you are left and right. Food. Every day, think about the food. You didn't think about the wax thing. You don't know the things gone about the way. Everybody wanna get to thinking about the fast. You think about the food things. You forget the food. You think say everything's okay to you. I ain't wanna say it wrong to you. Oh, open your eyes. See you are back. You from where? If you get a problem, you can cry for your life. You don't get anybody to help you. Think about the wax things, Mr. Food. Don't think about the food. You don't know you are left and right. I say the truth for everybody. You do the wrong thing to you. Food next. Oh, you get a small money thinking about you are okay. Look your back. You get a problem, you don't get anybody to help you. Strong mind talking about the strong things. Everybody know. I don't think about anything. I get the power. The power is the power that everything. The strong things. All things from God. I don't fear anything. I don't care anything is gonna bother me. You crazy. Don't move your life to go the wrong thing. Think about the wise, the strong thing. You there for the darkness. You don't try to see the light. I will tell for the everybody. Don't look the good. Don't think about the wrong. Your life they moved on the wrong thing. You don't know. Mr. Food next. Don't think about the food. Oh, I know that everything's gone about you. You see, you are okay. You get a problem. You don't get anybody to help you. Don't do any wrong thing about you. You there for the darkness. You don't try to move your life to see the light. Mr. Strong Mind, I don't care anything. I do my strong thing. Ooh, tell me the truth. Holy God, tell me the truth. Mr. Factlet.